everyone, myself Raj Prakar and you are watching News Movement English channel. Welcome to this channel and have a look on this news.
Sood Alam Malik was given the number of bike riders by number of Sood at the left hand around 8:30 p.m. and escaped. Local boys take him to Asansol District Hospital in an injured state, gone where his condition is serious. Reporter Surjit Sen Gupta and MD Khalid of Baranpur. There is an atmosphere of terror in the area. Bani block belongs to Panuria Gram Panchayat. Digal Pahari was raped in the middle of night on the way to the village. The local tribals have been living in panic in Buniapara since last night, and the only way to enter the village is tomorrow. Manoj Sharma report from Barabani that the traffic has been stopped since last night. Coal Mine Worker Congress KKSC on Wednesday. 4 people sat on dharna in front of the Prablia Colliery Agent's office with 9-point demands. Among those sitting on the dharna are KKSC Dubeshwari Colliery Secretary Ratan Mishra, Sanjay Mahto and KKSC's Prablia Colliery Secretary Sanjay Singh and President Krishna Mahto. According to the information, a procession was taken out by KKSC near Prablia Colliery. Indians who reached the agent's office chanting slogan in support of the demands. Where 4 people of organization sat on dharna, a good number of women were also present in the procession. Meanwhile, KKC's leader Hare Ram Singh accused the colliery management of discriminating against worker, accused of harassing worker in water, drainage, electricity, etc. Said there is no proper arrangement of drinking water, worker house are raining are bothered by the problem of power cut for 12 hours and the colliery management must proceed. Hare Ram Singh appealed to all the members of his union of Prablia and Dubeshwari Colliery not to come to work on the next day on collective casual leave if the demands are not met by the colliery management within 24 hours. During this time, it was demanded to provide pure drinking water in Dubeshwari Colliery and residence. Construction of PPC road from Kali Mandir of Colliery to Lamp Kevia via Halga road. Arrangement of 24 hours doctor in Colliery Hospital, immediate repair of Prablia Colliery Hospital. Apart from this demand for arrangement of dustbin and street light in all the colonies under the Prablia Colliery, early development of time rate employees in their represent designation, opening to cheap canteen in Prablia Colliery and Dubeshwari Colliery. Construction of culture stage at Prablia Colliery football ground, etc. was done. Station spared when police found blood-soaked body from Paraskol forest area, Andal. The crushed body of an unidentified person was found in the forest of Paraskol Colliery area under the Banbhal Fandi of Andal police station on Wednesday morning and spread like a wildfire in the colliery area. After reaching the spot and taking the body in their possession and sending it for postmortem, Some local women were going to defecate in the morning. The women then informed the people of Colliery after seeing a blood-soaked body. Later, the information was given to Banabhal police of Andal police station. The police reached the spot, seized the body and took it to district hospital for post-mortem. Parasoon Banerjee, president of sports cell of the local TMC Pandeshwar block, told that the head was found crushed. We spared panic among the people. Then did any major accident happen in the same way? While the deceased could not be identified, illegal soil cutting is being done by illegal people behind this forest. I don't know who has done this work. Information is received. Police are on leave and Andal police station in charge, Partho Ghosh, said that only after the post-mortem report we will it be known whether the person has fallen or been hit or someone has hit him. September 23rd, 200 people led by Amjad Ansari and Ayaz Qadir, who were angry with the party holding the hand of Viman Acharya, president of Kulti Block Trimul, at the Kulti Block Trimul party office at Disargarh, Husainiya Mode, ward number 105 of Asansol Municipal Corporation on Wednesday. Returned to the party. Viman Acharya welcomed him in the party, holding the party flag. On his occasion, Abhijit Acharya, councillor of ward number 105, Ratan Mashi of INTTUC, ward number 100, councillor Ranjita Sarma, Chandan Acharya and others were present in this occasion. Sabha of IFTU in Pandeshwar Bazar against the Agriculture Bill. Pandeshwar, Ramanand Paswan with Chairman Manath Paswan, IFTU, a trade union affiliated to CPI ML, organized a rally and a Path Sabha at 11 a.m. on Wednesday in protest of the anti-people and anti-agriculture bill of the central government. IFTU leader Kritan Kotal and others were present on the occasion. Addressing the gathering, Kritan Kotal said that the BJP government at the center was adopting a policy of selling the country to industrialists. One state-owned industry after another is being handed over to industries. The people of country are suffered from the financial industry insecurity by passing the parliament. The BJP government at the center in facing one bill after another, which is unconstitutional. He also expressed outrage over the agriculture bill recently passed in the Lok Sabha. He said the bill is anti-farmer. If this bill is implemented, the farmer will suffer and the profit of the industrialist will increase. He said that IFTU will continue to educate against this bill. Today, West Bengal Scholarship on the direction of Deputy Mayor Tabassum Ara, a camp was organized to fill the online form of Akhianshri, and with him West Bengal Urdu Academy book grant offline from issued ward number 63, place APJ Abdul Kalam Marriage Hall. On the occasion of International Sign Language Day 23 September, the first step was the arrival of Ganesh Chakravarti, audiologist and pathologist in the school campus, who are congratulated the deaf student who were education in the school, because on 23 September 1951 the World of the Deaf, the union was founded, so 23 September is celebrated as the International Sign Language. Sign language are a method of communication using the hand gesture. The International Day of Sign Language was first celebrated in 2018. As part of the International Week for the Deaf, September 23 has been declared the International Day of Sign Language, which intend to raise awareness of the importance of sign language in full realizing of human rights of deaf people. Commemoration procession was organized in Baranpur today against the anti-people policy of the BJP government, including the privatization of state-owned industry and anti-peasant black agriculture bill. Baranpur Unorganized Coordinating Committee union member include Mr. Harjit Singh of Asansol and Steel Workers Union of INTUC, Ajay Roy, Prem Narayan Singh, Sunny Singh, Bipal Manji, Gurdeep Singh, Om Prakash Singh, HMS Mumtaz Ahmed, Kudus Khan, CITU, Subhasis Bose, Affiliated Abak Mental Worker Union, Subhasis, Unitrabit, Unit Subhasis Universities, United Raghav Singh, Naveen Mukherjee, Rav Singh of the United Iron Steel Worker Union were present in this procession.